Have you ever noticed some people win your trust without a single word, while others make you uncomfortable the second they look at you? Science shows that in just a few seconds, people are already judging your confidence, your honesty, and your intelligence based entirely on your gaze. Most of us are making one specific eye contact mistake every single day without realizing it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'll show you an exact technique to fix it. Because these silent judgments are so immediate, your gaze often sets the tone for the entire interaction before you've even finished a greeting. Humans are unique in how we use our eyes. From the moment we are born, we look into our mother's eyes to build connection and establish safety, long before we learn a single word. When someone looks at you, your brain processes the information in milliseconds. It instantly scans for threats, trustworthiness, and romantic interest. These rapid judgments lock into place instantly. Notice how the language center remains quiet while the amygdala has already made its decision. Our visual processing predated spoken language by millions of years. Your eyes will always speak louder and faster than your voice ever can. When someone maintains a natural gaze, our brains interpret that as honesty and openness. Effective communicators use consistent eye contact to make the person in front of them feel prioritized. But many people fall into two opposing traps. They either look away frequently, thinking it makes them appear polite, or they stare continuously, trying to fake confidence. Both create instant discomfort. And if you break eye contact to check your phone, the brain automatically interprets that as a sign that you value the screen more than the person speaking. Real authority is demonstrated through a relaxed, balanced presence that avoids both of those extremes. Before we go further, I'd love to hear from you. What do you find more difficult? Making eye contact with strangers, friends, or during public speaking? Let me know in the comments. When you pair a relaxed gaze with a genuine smile, you foster an environment of emotional safety, warmth, and mutual understanding. But what happens when someone looks away? Pop psychology often tells us they're lying. In reality, avoiding eye contact is usually caused by severe social anxiety, low self-esteem, or simply different cultural norms. In fact, deceitful people often fall into the liar's trap. They maintain entirely too much eye contact because they are overcompensating to appear credible. Our eyes involuntarily reveal a massive spectrum of raw emotions, from fear to love. That means context is always required, and a simple gaze is never a perfect lie detector. Commanding speakers understand that an audience connects with their physical presence before they ever process a single sentence. To build presence without staring awkwardly, confident speakers use the triangle technique. Instead of locking onto one eye, shift your focus between 3 points. You gently rotate attention from their left eye to their right eye and down to their mouth, mimicking natural engagement. During a high-stakes moment like a job interview, this balance is crucial. You speak naturally and listen carefully, avoiding the trap of appearing either uncertain or intimidating. By implementing a structured physical routine like this, you eliminate the anxiety of where to look, allowing your natural authority to easily surface. In a modern world saturated with digital distractions, giving someone your undivided visual attention is a rare signal that you value their time. But it is important to remember that these rules aren't universal. While Western cultures view direct contact as a sign of confidence, many other cultures consider lowering the eyes to be a demonstration of respect. To improve your own communication, try 3 simple habits. Practice speaking to yourself in a mirror, focus on maintaining a natural gaze during short chats, and prioritize listening over worrying about how you look. Mastering interpersonal communication is an ongoing process. Genuine empathy and consistent practice matter far more than achieving robotic perfection. Ultimately, maintaining eye contact is a practice of showing respect and presence to the people in front of you. People rarely remember the exact words you say, but they will permanently remember the feeling of connection you provided. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing. And let me know down below, what psychological fact surprised you the most today? Next time you meet someone, focus on connecting rather than impressing. The most profound human connections often begin and end without a single spoken word.